In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Fortinet firmware. Whether you're updating your Fortinet device or simply ensuring its optimal performance, downloading the correct firmware is an essential task. Let's walk through this process together step by step so you can do it with ease. First, you'll want to visit the Fortinet website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.fortinet.com. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by Fortinet's homepage, which is full of useful information and links. But for our purposes, we'll focus on navigating to the right section to access the firmware. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you should see a menu option labeled Downloads. Click on this link. It's a straightforward step, but it's crucial as it takes you to the area of the website where Fortinet houses its downloadable content for various products. Upon clicking Downloads, you'll be brought to a new page showcasing several different product categories. Here, you'll find options like the ZTNA Edition, EPP-APT Edition, FortiClient Standalone Edition, and FortiClient VPN Only. These categories are designed to help you locate the specific type of firmware or software you need. Depending on your device and network requirements, you can select the appropriate edition. If you're unsure about which edition you need, it's always a good idea to consult your device's documentation or contact Fortinet support for guidance. They can help ensure you're downloading the correct version, which is crucial to avoid any incompatibility issues. Once you've identified the right edition, click on it to proceed to the Download section. Here, you'll find a list of firmware versions available for download. Typically, the latest version is listed at the top, which is recommended for most users as it includes the latest security patches and feature updates. After selecting the version, click the Download button. The file will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you might be prompted to choose a save location. Select a folder where you can easily find the file later, perhaps your Downloads folder or a specific folder you use for software updates. Once the download is complete, you can proceed with the installation or update process on your Fortinet device following the device-specific instructions. Remember, always back up your configuration before performing any firmware updates to prevent any potential data loss. And there you have it, a complete guide to downloading Fortinet firmware. By following these steps, you can ensure your Fortinet device is running the most up-to-date and secure software. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tutorials.